Hey everyone, we are live from Broadcast India 2025 right now at the stunning Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai. It's all about the future of media, entertainment and technology. And the vibe here is absolutely electric. Organized by Number Mess India. This is where creators, innovators and global brands came together to shape what is next. From 4K videos to AI-powered production tools, from OTT to immersive storytelling, everything's happening under one roof. So stay tuned as we bring you the highlights, the innovations, and the people driving the magic behind the screens.
All right, hi everyone. John Wilson. I'm the CEO of Grass Valley.
Okay, so tell us, what are you showcasing today here in this stall?
Yeah, so Grass Valley, we've been in the media industry for over 65 years, specifically focused on broadcast and increasingly more on leveraging broadcast tools outside of traditional broadcast technologies. What you'll see at the booth from Grass Valley is solutions all the way from live production, cameras, switchers or vision mixers, replay, all the way through to automation tools in asset management, play out as well. So Grass Valley, given our heritage in the industry, has one of the most complete solution sets in the entire industry. Again, from live production all the way through to play out.
Right, sir, you can talk about the just edit management. What are the new things that comes to in the market?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're continuing to integrate more and more AI tools into our solutions. And you really see those in both our asset management tools, right? So the ingest, metadata, you think about how can we get more intelligent by leveraging AI to more seamlessly integrate our workflows, integrate solutions. You start to see that more in play out as well, right? Again, these are automation solutions that allow our customers to streamline their operations.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm demonstrating Grass Valley's cloud-native solutions for live production. Let's take a look at replay. Here we have our 4-input, 2-output replay solution. This allows the operator to very quickly scrub through the live source using a keyboard combination or a very traditional live touch control panel. Once added, the highlights appear in the PageBank slot library system, which is a very industry standard solution. We can also add tags that have been imported, and we can drag them over to the playlist for playback. And new to the show this year, we can export any highlight and selected highlight to our Framelight X asset management system, which is also available. If you'd like further information, please visit our website or reach out to a local sales representative. Thank you.
As an exhibitor participating in these exhibitions, what are the expectations?
Yeah, so the expectations first and foremost is to connect with our customers. Both existing customers at Grass Valley, where we have a very strong presence in the Indian market, but also new customers as well. But it's an opportunity to engage, talk about our latest solutions, but also understand from our customers what are their priorities. Because at the end of the day, we need to meet them with our technology to align with how do they drive their business forward more meaningfully. And that's what we're focused on.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.